Oh.
Ceiling, the lamp, the lighting fixture is done. Once this is done, they can remove again the scaffold, finalize the floor, finalize the wall panels. I would suggest we walk this way to see also the units of this. And then, I don't know about this is the executive area, and again here, preparation work, ceiling, painting, lighting fixtures, all done. Also in the VIP area on the next side. And this is here just prepared for the carpet. Once the carpet is in place, it's more or less. Yes, the carpet. Carpet and when you see the service area on the left, tiling has been done. They're working in the toilets and restrooms. We can walk here. Tiling is done. They are now fixing the fittings. They will also work day and night. We go straight. We can enter this one from in the next 3 to 4 weeks. Get the scaffold out, get all the dirty works done, like remaining tiling and very critical. We expect the chiller tomorrow, so that we made that happen. So, thank you. How are you?
Phải thưa chủ.
ọdún yẹn.
Sankondo, carry on. Okay, no be here. We see they go another place. So. I need come out now. What's in the shoot now?
Like something I don't understand.